Walk. I walk to gym every morning. Run. He runs in the park for exercise. Jump. The kids jump on the trampoline. Dance. We love to dance at parties. Eat. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Drink. He drinks water after exercising. Sleep. She sleeps well at night. Read. I like to read books before bed. Write. He writes notes in class. Talk. They talk on the phone often. Listen. She listens to music on her headphones. Sing. We sing songs in the car. Play. They play Ludo after school. Study. I need to study for my exam. Cook. She cooks dinner every evening. Clean. He cleans his room on Saturday. Brush. We brush our teeth twice a day. Shop. She shops for groceries on Saturdays. Wash. They wash the dishes together. Drive. He drives to work every day. Ride. We ride cycle on weekends. Fly. The birds fly in the sky. Swim. I swim in the pool in summer. Climb. He can climb that tree. Hike. We hike in the mountains. Explore. They explore new place on vacation. Build. He likes to build with blocks. Create. I create art in my spare time. Paint. He paints landscapes as a hobby. Draw. She draws pictures of animals. Think. He thinks deeply about life. Learn. He learns new things every day. Teach. I teach math to kids. Help. They help their neighbors. Bake. We bake cookies for the holidays. Water. She waters the plants daily. Harvest. We harvest wheat in the field. Pick. He picks apples from the tree. Park. They park the car outside. Finish. We finish our work on time. Stop. He stops at the red light. Come. She comes home after school.